The opioid epidemic. The truth about opioid pain management. Know your options. Opioid overdoses increased 30% from July 2016 through 2017 in 52 states. Every day, more than 115 people in the United States die after overdosing on opioids. It happens everywhere, in our homes, it happens at our jobs, maybe even in the cubicle next door. Happens in our cities, it happens in the country, in rural areas too. Everyone can be affected by opioid pain management. People with tooth pain, surgeries, chronic pain, which is over 3 months, car wrecks, back pain, every race, class, and gender. Number of deaths involving opioids was over 49,000 in 2017 in the United States. It was over 29,000 for other synthetic opioids, predominantly fentanyl, in 2017, also in the United States. Overdose deaths in the USA were over 19,000 for opioid pain relievers, excluding methadone, in 2016. Opioid overdosing can lead us here, to our final resting place. Alternatives to opioid pain management are meditation, yoga, multi-targeted neurostimulation, RFA, and more. When it comes down to it, we have a choice in pain management. Be proactive in your own healthcare. Ask questions to your doctor about your choices.